Every time you hit the brake pedal, a complex system works instantly to stop thousands of pounds of metal. But do you know how it actually works? Or more importantly, how to tell when it's about to fail? Today, we're diving deep into the braking system. The core components. It all starts with brake fluid. When you press the pedal, the master cylinder sends pressurized fluid through the lines to your wheels. The caliper acts like a clamp. The brake pads, the friction material inside the clamp. The rotor, disc, the spinning part attached to your wheel. The caliper squeezes the pads against the rotor, creating the friction needed to stop your car. Warning, signs of failure. So how do you know if your brakes need a mechanic's attention? Watch for these 3 signs. Squealing noises. Most pads have a metal wear indicator that shrieks when the pads are getting thin. Vibration. If your steering wheel shakes when you brake, your rotors are likely warped. Soft pedal. If the pedal feels spongy or goes to the floor, you might have air in your brake lines or a fluid leak. Maintenance. Tip: don't forget the fluid. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture over time. This can cause internal rust and boiling. I recommend a brake fluid flush every 2 years to keep the system responsive. Conclusion: and CTA brakes are the most important safety feature on your vehicle. Never ignore the warning signs. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mahar G Autos for more expert car care. Drive safe.